Everyone is using ChatGPT for free, but ChatGPT 4 is not free. But in this video we will learn how to use ChatGPT 4 for free in mobile. ChatGPT 4 is much more intelligent than ChatGPT and guides better than ChatGPT. It gives answers to any topic in a very deep and static way. As you can see here, it is the official website of OpenAI. If you type any input command in ChatGPT, you will get the output answer like this. But if you type the same answer in ChatGPT 4, you will get the output answer like this, which gives a very accurate answer. So in this video, we are going to see 2 ways to use ChatGPT 4 for free, in which the last one works 100%, so watch the video carefully. But the first one is that I am a little doubtful about the presence of ChatGPT 4 in this. But you guys guess and tell me that this is ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT. So first of all you have to open your Play Store. Click on its search bar and type Wing here. So you will get to see the Wing browser here. Simply install it. After installing, open this browser. Then click on Get Started. Now you will log in successfully in the Wing browser. Click on its search bar and type ChatGPT 4 here. And then search it. Here you will get to see the website of OpenAI. And click on ChatGPT 4 openai.com. As soon as you click on it, you will get to see its interface like this. Here you will get to see Try on ChatGPT Plus. This ChatGPT Plus is ChatGPT 4. But we will not click here and enter in ChatGPT 4. We have to come to the bottom of this page. So if you come down in this page, you will get to see Try on ChatGPT Plus here. So you have to click here. So you will get to see such a page. So here you have to click on Sign Up. And from here you have to create your account. To create an account, you have to type your email ID here. So we type our email ID here. After that, click on Continue. And here you have to make your password. And then click on Continue. So to verify, you must have received an email that will look like this. You have to open the email from here. Otherwise, you have to open your direct mail app. And here you will get to see the mail of OpenAI. So click on this mail and open it. And here you will get to see the verify address. Click on it. So it will take a while to verify this. You have to wait till then. So after a while, you will get such an option. Verify you are human. So you have to tick it. And then the verification will begin. You have to wait a while. So you will get such a page in front of you. Here your email has been verified. So now you just have to come to your browser. And you have to refresh this page once by clicking on this button. And here you have to type your first name. And in the second box, you have to put your second name. And here you have to put your date of birth to verify your age. Then click on Continue. Here you have to put your mobile number. And it is asking you that whether you run WhatsApp on this number or not. If you run it, click on Yes. If you don't run it, click on No. Then click on Send Code. You have to wait a while. And here you will get to see the OTP. And you just have to put that OTP here. And it will be verified automatically. So its interface seems like ChatGPT to me. But here we do some questions with it. Let's see what output we get. So we have typed our question. And then click on Send. Bro, I think this is ChatGPT. But you guys comment and tell me whether it is ChatGPT or ChatGPT 4. You guys guess this website. And guess and tell me whether it is really ChatGPT 4 or not. And the second method in this will work 100%. And you will get to use ChatGPT 4 for free. For this, you have to install the Telegram app on your mobile and log in. After logging in, you have to open Telegram. So here you will see the search icon of Telegram. So you just have to click on it. And here you have to type ChatGPT 4. So as soon as you type ChatGPT, you will see ChatGPT 3.5 here. Which is actually ChatGPT. But we want ChatGPT 4. So we type 4 here. So from here you will get to see the ChatGPT 4 group. By joining it, you can easily ask any question for free. To join the group, simply click on the group. Click on Start. And whatever your question is, you have to type that question here. And send it. So you will get to see your answer here. Which is very good to see the answer here. So from here you can easily access ChatGPT 4 for free. And here you will find many groups of ChatGPT 4. And you will also find ChatGPT group, in which you can join and ask your question. And you can take its output. So guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.